Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stocks from Fidelity. First, you'll need to open a brokerage account. This process is straightforward and can be completed online in just a few minutes. Fidelity offers various account types, so choose one that fits your investment goals. Once your account is set up, the next crucial step is to fund it, preparing you to make your first stock purchase. We'll cover that next. Funding your Fidelity account is simple. You can link your bank account for quick electronic funds transfers, often available within 1 to 3 business days. For larger sums, wire transfers or mailing a check are also options. Fidelity typically requires no minimum deposit to open an account, making it accessible for new investors. Setting up automatic transfers can help you consistently grow your portfolio over time, a smart strategy for long-term wealth building. Now for the exciting part, placing your first stock order. Log into your Fidelity account and navigate to the trading section. You'll search for the company you want to invest in using its ticker symbol. Decide on your order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to buy at a specific price. Enter the number of shares you wish to purchase, review all details carefully, and then submit your trade. It's that simple. After buying stocks, regularly monitoring your portfolio is key. Fidelity provides robust tools and research to help you track performance and make informed decisions about future investments. Remember to diversify your holdings to manage risk effectively. For those who love to learn and read on the go, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Keep learning and growing your financial knowledge.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.